Hello, I am here, Miss Packer. I'm principal, but it's not about me. It's about this wonderful teacher, Miss Hohenstein, and these beautiful children back in the back. I just want to brag on Miss Hohenstein. She is able to get all of our fifth graders together in conference and learn on Mad Scientist Day. So I'm going to give it to Miss Hohenstein so you can learn and just listen to all the great things she's doing with writing with our wonderful bull pups. Miss Hohenstein?
Thank you, Ms. Packer.
Yes, ma'am.
So our fifth grade, every Friday, we do two things in the cafeteria. On the first Friday, we always get an on-demand writing prompt, and we're able to do that, and the kids have approximately 30 minutes to get as far as they can. So on the following Friday, we always peer edit what we've been able to accomplish. So the kids are paired up, sometimes by ability, sometimes by independent skills, and then they have a partner. For the first 15 minutes, they work solely on one partner's papers. Both of them look at the one paper and they make as many changes as they can by editing and revising. And if time permits, they encourage them to finish. So then the second 15 minutes, we switch papers and the kids again edit and revise and encourage based on where that person is. So a lot of times we are having wonderful conversation about editing and revising, and the best part is there's only one writing teacher, but all the kids can be writing teachers because they're all experts or good at something in writing. So the kids love it, they're engaged, it gets everybody a partner to edit with at one time, and currently this year, or this now, we are doing the Native American writing pieces, and the kids are really into it. So they're really enjoying learning something about the past. So we've incorporated social studies into writing, and the kids have really taken off, and they're really enjoying the research. Ms. Packer?
So, thank you, Ms. Hohenstein. If you would love to know anything else about writing or the wonderful things going on here at New Highland, even on Mad Scientist Day, we write every day. Thank you, Ms. Hohenstein. We appreciate you, and we love you dearly.
We were talking about when there are clouds in the sky. Does it rain every time there's a cloud in the sky? No. But look, we have our clouds and we have our rain, and we're going to see what happens when a lot of water gets into the clouds. We're going to see what happens. Yeah, so Jojo, you get to have a turn. Come up here and add some rain to our clouds. Come here. All right, use your little hand right here. And squeeze, remember? Okay, thank you. Let's have another turn. Kanan, thank you for sitting so quietly, waiting. You get to add some rain. Let's see how much water it's going to take for it to rain. Is it raining yet?
Yes.
No, I don't see anything. Do you see anything under the clouds? No, not yet. Carson, thank you for sitting and waiting. Yep, and you got to do it first. You just squeeze it. Is there any rain coming out from those clouds yet?
No.
No. Thank you, Carson. You can go sit down. Naomi, thank you for waiting. Is there any rain coming out yet? No. Do you see how all of the water is staying in the clouds? Kinsley? Squeeze. Kamar, is it starting to, oh, did you see that? It's starting to come. Squeeze. Lily. Can we see anything yet? Oh, it's starting to come out. Anthony? It's starting to rain. Daisy. It's starting to come out. Daisy, squeeze. Elena, would you like to come squeeze it? No, thanks. Okay, John. Good job. Look at all of that coming out of the clouds. Hunter. Oh, there we go. Look at, do you see the blue?
Yeah, I see blue.
That's the rain coming out of the clouds.
All right, boys and girls. I'm gonna make some witch's brew. You guys ready?
Yeah!
All right. We're gonna add some vinegar. Supposed to do what first? Some vinegar. Do you know what vinegar is? Do you know a science word for vinegar? It's an acid. An acid. Everybody say acid. That's what vinegar is, and if you were close, you could smell it, and it has a bad smell, okay? Here we go. All right. Let's see. Let's make some green vinegar. Green acid. You smell it? Ready? Let's count. Can you see? Let's count how many drops. Hold on. I haven't put any yet. Remember, you don't say a number till you see it or touch it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see.
We just stir that around.
Let me get my magic wand. Ready? I'm gonna stir and stir and stir. What do you think is happening? Let's make a hypothesis. That's an educated guess, okay? We'll say educated guess, like a prediction. What do you think happened inside the bowl? Oh, we do have some scientists. All right. Let's add some
Ooh, let's get some eyeballs.
eyeballs. Witches love eyeballs. Ooh.
Ooh, Miss Baker, let's
Ooh.
count them.
There's spiders in here too. All right, let's count how many eyeballs. Ready?
Wait, are those candy eyes?
Ready? Let's put some of these. Ready? Let's see. How about if we have add one more, what do we get? 10. So 9 and one more made 10. How about a few spiders just for giggles? Ready? 1, 2. All right. Now for the magic variable. Ooh, a variable. Are you ready to see? All right. Ready?
Do we need a magic potion word?
Abracadabra. Alakazam. Poof.
Oh, a little bit more.
I see a little. I think we might need a little more variable.
Who didn't cross their fingers?
Whoa! Oh, it's a witch's brew! Whoa! Some of my eyeballs came flying out. Ooh! Raise a quiet hand if you think you can tell me why that happened. Why did that happen? Eliza, what do you think?
Because when you mix vinegar and baking soda together, it explodes.
Well, it sure did. That's what we did. We mixed them together. Does anybody know why, though? When you have a base like baking soda and you have an acid like vinegar, they don't get along. When you put them together, that's what happens. They don't like each other. They react. and you get kind of like an explosion, right? And then it makes our witch's brew. Yay!
My name is Cameron. I'm in 5th grade.
Hi, my name is Heaven Coleman and I'm in 5th grade.
Right now, what we're doing is we're using egg cartons and we're gonna make a geo out of them.
A geo is a type of rock.
Mad Scientist Day is very important because it helps kids be creative and have fun.
It's also important because they can learn different things.
What I like about Mad Scientist Day is I like all the experiments we do. I'm not sure what we did last year, but I'm pretty sure it was an exploding cap.
I also like Mad Scientist Day because it's very good and we can also do fun experiments.
I'm Trinity and I'm in 5th grade.
Hi, my name's Elise and I'm in 5th grade.
Hi, my name's Emma and I'm in 5th grade.
We're trying to make little crystals with food coloring and sugar.
We're making like rocks, like geos and stuff like that.
We're making crystals and geos using egg cartons.
I like about Mad Scientist Day that we all dress up and just have fun.
One thing I like about Mad Scientist Day is that we get to dress up and bring like stuff with us.
I like Mad Scientist Day because we get to dress up and I like how Miss Packer acts.
Happy Mad Scientist Day!
Hi, I'm Cassiana and I'm in 4th grade.
I'm TJ and I'm in 4th grade.
I'm Daniel Graff and I'm in 4th grade.
I'm Aubrey and I'm in 4th grade.
I'm Oliver and I'm also in 4th grade.
I'm Abby and I'm in 4th grade. Our presentation is about weathering and erosion.
Erosion is the process of weathered rocks being put into movement.
Erosion affects our environment by moving rocks into different places.
Weathering affects erosion since weathering breaks down rocks by like frost wedging or when rocks crack on a root or because of landslides, the rock could also move to a glacier or water and move by water under gravity.
Because without it, Earth would never change, and if Earth never changed, things like if wind wasn't there, nobody would be able to breathe because there'd be no air.
Erosion affects everyday life because it can affect how rocks move downhill, and if rocks fall downhill, that is called a landslide, which could kill millions of people.
I'm Isaiah, and today we made slide, and I'm in 2nd grade. So first, we had an empty bottle of Elmer's glue into a mixing bowl, but we used plate. The second step, we add a half of tablespoon of baking soda and stirred. Third step, add a drop of 2 of food coloring and continue mixing. Fourth, measure and pour 1 tablespoon of contact solution into the bowl. Continue mixing until slime forms. Step 5, take the slime out and knead it with your hands. If it is too sticky, add more drops of contact solution. Step 7, when you're finished, split it up evenly with the friends you made it with. Each person can put their share in a Ziploc bag. So that's how we made slime.
All right, so we're on step 2. Let's look back and read it. Add half a tablespoon of baking soda and stir. So here's our baking soda. I need How many bottles of glue did we use?
4.
So we need 4 volunteers to help me with baking soda. But we need half a tablespoon. All right, here's our half. Okay, let's count together so we can remember. Paisley, here you go. Pour it in there. 1. Okay, come on, Marvin. 2. Okay, Alvin, your turn. How many is this? 4. What was our next step? Because step 2 had 2 steps. Stir. Jaze, can you come stir? Go sit down, guys, okay? Just mix it all in. Step 3 says to add a drop or 2 of food coloring. I'm going to do the food coloring, but I want you to count how many drops. So if we had 4 bottles of glue, we've got to add more than just 1 or 2 drops, right? 4. Let's look again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 8 drops. Can you count? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if we think we need more, we'll add some more. Do we like the color, or should we add a little more? Add a little more, okay.
2, 1, 1. Just one.
Okay. We finished step 3. Let's go to step 4. Measure and pour 1 tablespoon of contact solution into the bowl. Continue mixing until the slime forms. So here's our tablespoon. This is what it looks like. And remember, we had our contact solution. So how many do we add? Not half. We need to add 4 tablespoons. So I want you to just hold it over so we don't spill any. Are you ready?
It's spraying. Oh, yeah. That's a lot. Okay.
1 tablespoon. Dump it in. All right. Good job, Hunter. This is 2. That was 2. Olivia, 3.
Okay, that's enough.
All right, friend. How many do we have? This is 4. Okay. Okay, what was our next step in step 4? Because we had 2 parts to it. Measure and pour the contact solution. And then what? Continue mixing. So now we're going to mix. Is the slime forming? Are you sure? It's stuck on the spoon. Okay, who can read step 5 to me? Because I think we're ready for it. Emery? Says we can take it out and knead it. So I'm going to do this. It says if it's too sticky, that you could add a few more drops. Look at Miss Moats' hands. Do you think it's too sticky? Yes. Okay, so should we add some more contact solution? Yes. It did break my spoon. That's okay. So there's our couple drops. Do you think our slime is finished? Yes. Okay, I am gonna bring you some. Have your hands ready. It is sticky.
I need to put my
Hi, I am Ms. Urbans. I'm the school's library media specialist. I'm excited to share with you our special area team's rock cycle for Mad Scientist Day. We have been studying, especially in our 4th grade science classes with Miss Lutz's kids. We've been studying weathering, erosion, and rock cycles, and today we are creating our own replicas of geodes and sedimentary rocks. Thank you for watching and being with us today.